Wow, the thing already started falling. That's funny.
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that high heat paint spider.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
There it is.
Actually, I get right up to it. Ooh. That's pretty neat. Well, it's nice that you know, we got our money's worth out of the paint, huh?
2,300, 2,100 or something like that.
Yeah, that's a little bit more.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Ah.
Hey! Right on.
Dun, dun, dun.
Safety first.
Right. Oh. Sure. Yeah, ready? Black Mamba. I didn't see any.
Raining black soot.
Is it?
It's different.
Yeah. I can already. What are you doing? Yeah, looks good.
Well, I didn't try not even a phone call yet.
Right. Whatever. Okay. Take two.
Chrome donkey. They just look big in chrome. It's the openings in the back.
What are those big chrome things on your truck? Oh my god!
Sure. Oh, ugh. Dude, that stinks.
Oh
Ugh.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, huh? Y'all ghetto.
Fucking.
Pull up your fucking pants.
What is this thing?
Fucking pull up your pants.
Fuck you.
Fucking.
My pants are up. See? They fit.
Suck it.
Fucking.
What the fuck?
I drive a truck, man. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Alright.
Fuck the
You and your ghetto chrome.
Fuck the police.
Alright, that's enough.